All right, so we're back after getting the brass polished with the steel wool. Our final step in treating this blackened brass is going to be preserving the finish. What I'm going to use new finish as the wax to preserve it. This is what I use on my brass for reloading. So I know that it works. So we're just going to take a dollop on here and work it into the coated piece. To try and protect that patina finish that it is obtained. So in order to stop the chemical from working anymore, I kind of treated it like a bluing situation and boiled all the parts for about 20 minutes. And I think doing that should hopefully stop any of the oxidation that was being caused, even though I know the compound of brass is mostly copper. Still, I don't want that oxidation to continue acting with whatever portion of the compound it was acting with, because it does get flaky like red rust would. So then it starts to tarnish, and instead of tarnishing to a red rust, it gets that green patina to it, like the Statue of Liberty, which is not what I was going for. So we don't want that to be able to continue. So as I said, I boiled it just like I would have if I was bluing steel components, to try and convert any of the stuff that was causing oxidation and stop it from functioning. And the goal of applying this wax finish is to, while the next 2 weeks happen and things like that happen, dropping it on the ground, I don't continue to damage this black finish and have to retouch it up. I have in my viewing to make sure that this substance would work for what I was looking for, seeing that the more you work with a piece, this finish can rub off if it is not properly preserved and doesn't have a healthy coating of wax over it. So this is going to be something I'll probably have to do throughout the life of this weapon to keep this blackened finish. Is every so often just apply more wax. This says it's a once-a-year polish, so, and with brass it honestly tends to last a little bit longer than that. I find that I really only have to use it every 2 or 3 reloads. It's definitely not an every sitting type of thing. So these push rods, though, I feel these are going to get the most wear and tear on them, because even though I don't plan to use this weapon often, I do plan to at least take it out and test fire it a few times, just to make sure it works, make sure everything functions. So I'm sure that the push rods as well as the thimbles will see the most wear. So everything's been coated with the wax polish. Now it's just the process of letting it dry a little bit and then buffing it in. So we'll see you back at reassembly in the coming weeks.